welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a long overdue update on my condo, but I finally got a little bit something together for my second bedroom. So right now I'm in my second bedroom. So I had to turn it into my office slash beauty room. I'm working from home, and like a couple of days of the week I'm actually in the office, but for the majority of the time I am working from home. So I did have to bring my monitor and laptop here, as well as my keyboard. I don't like this setup as much as I do like with my iMac, but of course work is the first priority. So I have all of my work things on the desk that's in here right now. And unfortunately, I had to put my iMac out in my dining room. So hopefully, depending on what goes on with like returning to work, if I ever go back 100%, then I'll bring my iMac back into this room. But I also have my makeup vanity in here. So I do get ready in here whenever I'm wearing makeup, or, if I'm doing my hair. And then I also built some shelves. So I have this Billy bookcase behind me, and I actually have another Billy bookcase that I bought the glass doors for. So I have clothes in that one, and I have like a couple of purses at the top. It's definitely not organized the way that it's probably going to be long term, but I did just want to throw a few things in there just so that it wasn't empty. I do have a walk-in closet in my master bedroom, but it's not as big as I would want it to be. So I'm utilizing the closet in here as well as this Billy bookcase to hold some of my clothing. And the closet here is right behind me. So I do have, other clothes in this closet as well. And as you can see on this Billy bookcase, I do have some shoes. So I have shoes on this bookcase. I have shoes in the closet that's at the front door, like the coat closet. And then I also have shoes in my loft where you would store like your seasonal clothing. So I have like a suitcase and bins full of seasonal clothes and shoes. So yeah, I've got things kind of everywhere right now, but that's because I feel like I'm still settling in. There's so many things in each room that I really still need to get done. Like even in this room, I want to add like some shelves, definitely put up some artwork or something on the walls. And I'm probably not done as far as the way things are situated in this room. I do like how my desk is like in the middle of the room, but I don't know, I'm thinking about getting a different type of desk, and I definitely need a new vanity because right now that vanity that I'm using I've had for I don't know how long, like for years, and it wasn't like expensive or anything. I think it was very cheap. So yeah, it's definitely kind of like on its last leg. So as for now, it's cool or whatever. But again, I'm probably gonna get a different desk for my work and then a different desk for the vanity. I'm not sure what else I want to do in here, but I really do like the way that it has turned out so far. It didn't look like this before. Before I just had my desk on the wall where the bookcases were, and then my vanity was just still in the same place. And it just, that was it. So I feel like the way that it's set up right now, I kind of maximize the space. So yeah, right here behind me, I have the IKEA Alex drawers. I have that bottom part where it's like a file cabinet. So I hold all my important documents. I have a tray sitting up here and just some like cute little knickknacks and whatnot. And then I also have my calendar up here on the wall. But yeah, I really, like I said, I like how things have turned out this far. I situated my desk this particular way on purpose because I would like to be able to look out the window while I'm working, since I'm cooped up in this room. And I do like that I have a balcony, like I have access to a balcony from this room. So if I ever did like want to get some fresh air, I could just open the window or step out on the balcony really quick. So it's been pretty cool being able to work from home and like be in your own space. But I definitely want to get my work things out of here and just have this, like, you know, my personal beauty room with my personal computer. And yeah, but yeah, that is pretty much it for this room. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching the videos so far regarding my condo. Like I said, I feel like I still have a long way to go with different areas. The next area that I really need to tackle is my master bedroom. I have like all the basic necessities in there, but there's a lot of other things that I feel like I need to get together. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys that room before I get it all together or while I'm getting it together. I'm not really sure. Right now it's just pretty basic. Like I have a bed, TV mounted on the wall, I have a little fireplace mounted on the wall, and that's pretty much it for the bedroom. I feel like I've done more with the closet and the master bathroom than the bedroom. And then the real final step is for my loft upstairs. Right now, the loft is pretty much empty. There's a yoga mat up there and I barely exercise, so that's just kind of up there for no reason. But I'm trying to decide what I really want to turn that into. Like at first I was gonna make it like an office space, but then I was like, no, maybe we should turn it into like a cool like movie room, lounge area. So yeah, I'm not really sure, but I will definitely keep you guys updated on the progress of that. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below how you are liking this second bedroom and if you have any tips or suggestions for me. That's all I have for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss another upload, and don't forget to like this video. All right, thanks guys.